Alright, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, man, I'm gonna give you guys my top 3 best Skytech gaming PC in 2023. So these 3 PC right here are similar to the one that I got like a year ago, I think. Yeah, it's a year ago. The only thing they got better specs, they got like a 3060 inside of it. Yeah, let's dive into the video, man. The first one on the list right here is the Skytech Blaze 3.0 gaming PC. This one right here is going for $999 in Amazon right now. Let's check out the specs. So yeah, you got an Intel Core i5 and you got an RTX 3060, not bad. 500 gigs of SSD, 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM and DDR4 RAM 3200 hertz, and you got a 600 watt gold power supply, and you got Wi-Fi and Windows 11. So not bad for $999. But yeah, it's not bad for $999 if you're somewhere around that budget price, like maybe $1,000. I would think this is a good because it's a fair deal. So yeah, this is a good PC. You can check it out. I watch videos on it. They're saying it's good. Read comments, all of that. They're saying it's good. It's working fine. Let's move on to the next one. All right. So next up on the list right here, we got the Skytech Shadow gaming PC. This one is very similar to the first one. The only difference in this one is it got a 1 terabyte SSD. The other one got a 500 gig of SSD. And yeah, similar, same power supply, same graphics card, same DDR4 of RAMs, same everything. I don't think I would need to go over the specs on this one because it's the same as I said before. And yeah, this is a good PC. I know people that got this PC and it's working fine. They got it now for maybe a year or maybe a couple months. Yeah, it's working good. They're playing Warzone and a bunch of games on it. Yeah, it's working fine for them. And all the links will be down in the description so you guys can check them out if you're interested and ask me any questions. I'm gonna try my best to answer you guys as quick as possible. And let's go on to the last but not least. Alright, so the last one on the list right here is the Skytech Azure. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that properly, but it's the Skytech Azure gaming PC. And this one is on the pricey end. This one is going for $1,399. But yeah, I think this one could have take a water cooler. I think a water cooler would kind of finish this up for me. Prices, I think a water cooler could go in there with some Wi-Fi. But yeah, let's check out the specs. It got a AMD Ryzen 5 5600X, and it got a RTX 3070 8 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte SSD and a 650 watt gold power supply and Windows 10. I think it definitely could take a water cooler, bro. Like, yeah, it could take a water cooler and maybe some Wi-Fi for me, in my opinion. With the price and everything, yeah, I think could it take a water cooler and a Wi-Fi. Yeah, this sums up the video, man. My top 3 best Skytech gaming PC that I think, in my opinion, is the best. I would buy one of these if I didn't have one, as I said early in the video. And comment down below, tell me your thoughts if you're interested in any of these PC. You can comment down below, check out the link in the description, tell me your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one, man. Peace.